What's up, everybody? Today we'll be taking another look at this jigsaw plant. Alright. This plant has been steadily productive all season. And this strain is going around from 5,000 to 30,000 or so on the Scoville scale. It is considered more of an ornamental variety, which, as you can tell, is very eye-catching with the variegation in the color of the pods. But keep in mind, everybody, they are peppers, so they are edible. So, but these plants get some really nice coloration due to the variegation I mentioned. And pods are a rather nice size. They're little snacking type peppers size, and you can bring in nice little spiciness to the table. These do very well in containers. I've grown some in the ground before, and they can do really well in the ground, but they would do well in both. So, alright, but if you guys got any questions or comments or anything, you know where to put it. And we're getting ready to squash this video out. And do me a solid and please like, subscribe, and or share. It's greatly appreciated and helps me out. Alright, guys. I'll take another look at this guy. And alright, guys, let's watch this video out. Catch you on the next one. Please stay tuned. Alright.